Hey everyone, I'm kateschwanke and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a fun new packing video for you guys and review featuring the brand new jujube All That Tote in the gorgeous Tokidoki Fantasy Paradise print. So the All That Tote is a brand new style to jujube. It is a tote style bag. You can use it for a lot of different things, but mostly I feel like it works great as a pool bag, beach bag possibly, and a gym bag. So I did try to use it as a diaper bag. It didn't work out that great. So I'm telling you now that this bag probably won't function well as a diaper bag for you, but it will work great as a gym bag, pool bag. So today I have it packed up for me and my son Colton, who is 2.5, and we have it packed up for going to the pool together. So let's take a quick look at the outside of this bag. There's not too much going on the outside. Most of what is happening is on the inside of the bag. On the outside here, you have two nice canvas nylon type of straps, and they have a nice width to them. The part here that you grab at the top is doubled over, so it's easier to grab. It is fairly comfortable to wear on your shoulder and doesn't really slip, so I really like that. On the front here, you guys can see that the bag has half the print and the other half is that beautiful teal canvas. Now this pocket in the front here is very interesting. In fact, I feel like the whole bag is kind of just unique and interesting. But this pocket here is a little different. Under here you have a mesh part, so you can really see the inside contents of the bag if you wanted to. That's not really the purpose of that pocket, I believe. But under here you have a zippered opening. I'm gonna just go ahead and start going through everything real quick. This pocket actually holds a lot, you guys. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pull things out. The pocket is literally what you see from here to here and all the way down the front. There is no internal organization in this pocket. It is a big, open, empty pocket. So you can literally put whatever you want in here. You could even put a pair of shoes in here if you wanted to, like sandals or something. But I chose to keep this part as the mommy pocket of the bag. So I have a little bit of everything. I have my keys just resting on top there. I have my wallet down in front. This is a good size one. This is the Kate Spade Cara wallet. I also have some sunblock in here for my son. I have a small set piece in Fantasy Paradise. Super cute. In here I just have things for myself, some chapstick, some lotion, a mirror, a folding hairbrush, a hair tie, and things like that. So that was all on this side of the pocket. On this side of the pocket, I have a small pair of sunglasses for my son. These are Babyators. I love this brand for kids. And next to that, I have my own sunglasses in a Madewell case. So in here, I just have my sunglasses. And I think that is all I had in this pocket. As you guys saw though, that held like everything. I liked that a lot. It's a great pocket. So that is the very front pocket of the bag. It's kind of hidden, as you can see, under this little bit of fabric here. So that is what the front is like. The back of the bag doesn't have really anything going on with it. You just get to see the beautiful print. And on this side of the bag, you have another hidden pocket, and I love hidden pockets, you guys. This one is a little different though. I was almost at a loss for what to put in here, but then I decided that this really does work great as a pool bag. So what I decided to put in here, what a lot of other people decide to put in here, is shoes and things, which really makes sense because it's in a pocket all of its own and it doesn't get anything else dirty. So I love that idea, but I decided to put our swim towels in here. So this is what it looks like. I think I'm gonna keep them in there for now, but I did wanna show you guys. I do have two towels in here. I have a toddler towel and an adult size towel in here, and I just kind of folded them together side by side in there. But I don't really want to pull them out because I want you guys to see the inside of the bag and how it looks when it is full in that pocket, so you guys get a good idea of what it looks like. But that's basically the outside of the All That Tote. As you guys can see, as I pull stuff out, it gets a little slouchier, so it does start to lose a little bit of shape. But let's go ahead and jump on to the inside part, and you guys can see how I have that all packed up. So this is the top of the All That Tote. You have one zipper pull on top. There is no tail or anything, so it doesn't expand any further than what you see here. This is how I have it packed up on the inside. It looks like things got moved around a little bit when I was doing the packing video, but that's basically what it looks like. It is, for the most part, a very open compartment with not too much organization going on the inside. But at the very top here, you have one zippered pocket, and in here it is a felt-lined pocket. So I have a few electronics in there just to keep them safe while we're at the pool. So I have my cell phone. This is an iPhone 8 Plus. And then I also have my Apple Watch in there as well. Definitely can't go swimming with that on. Now next I want to go through the things I have on the top here. Now I'm probably going to have to just lay this bag down because it doesn't stand up very well once you have things taken out of it. But I have my medium set piece here in Fantasy Paradise. And in here I just have a few snacks for my son. So I have a fruit pouch, some yogurt raisins, a granola bar, and then I have a little pack of almonds for me. Getting back into the bag here, I also have this. Now, sometimes I like to go to the pool already in my swimsuit and then I have like my cover up and stuff on. But honestly, it's better for me to just wear everything and then change into it when I get there. That way I have underwear, bra, all that stuff that I need. That will just go into my bag when I change into my swimsuit. So I have a Kangaroo wet bag here, and this is in the Toki Sweet print, I believe. This is no longer sold, but I thought it just color-wise, it matched really, really well with this bag, and it was really cute. But Kangaroos wet bags are amazing. I absolutely love them for pools and swim time, so they're huge. So in here, this is going to keep my swimsuits, towels, and things like that once they get wet, and this can just go right back into my bag when I'm done. But I have a couple swim diapers for my son, and then down in there I also have his little swim shorts, and then for myself I have my swimsuit. So yeah, and then that's it. That's all I have down in there, but it just works really, really great that way. So I have that, and then moving on to the rest of the bag, you guys can see a little bit better now, that large pocket down in there. There we go, now you guys can see it a little bit better. It's a rainy day, so I definitely needed to bring out a light for the inside of this bag. So this large portion here, this is where the towels are. So if you don't utilize that pocket, I tried it when I was trying to use it as a diaper bag, and it was just kind of like loose and floppy down in the bottom of the bag. So I suggest if you buy this bag that you just utilize that pocket because it fills up that space down there and it just works a lot better that way. So that is where the towels are. So it takes up a large portion of the inside of the bag when you do use that pocket. Also on the side here, I have a pack of wipes. This is a wipe pouch 30. I like to have wipes with me wherever I go, just in case, you never know. And I didn't mean to rhyme. Also on the side here, you guys can see that there is a pocket here. This is a fairly deep pocket, and it has elastic on the top. So you can put a sports drink in here, you can put a swell bottle. This is a 17-ounce swell bottle, and it fits in this pocket no problem, as you can see. Even one-handed, it works great. It's not insulated or anything, so if you don't decide to use it, it really can just lay flat and give you a little bit more space in your bag. Also down here, I have my son's water, and I believe that's it. But there you go, you guys can see pretty well that that's what it looks like on the inside. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. And if you did, please give it a big thumbs up and definitely subscribe to my channel while you're here. If you guys would like to shop Jujube with me, I would love that. I will leave my affiliate link down in the description below for you, and you can shop through there anytime. And when you do, it helps support my channel. So thank you very much to those who shop with me. And thanks for watching.